Are you having problems with your Cash App web receipts not showing and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So actually what I did firstly was that I completely closed, or I just closed my Cash App basically, and instead I went into the App Store on my phone. So go into your App Store, and by the way, for some of you that are using Android, of course, you're going to go into your Google Play Store instead. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or if you're using an Android, it's going to be the exact same steps. Just you have to go into your App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here, we're going to search for Cash App. So just search for Cash App in here, as you can see. Then scroll down and click on the Cash App in here. And as you can see, I have this blue button in here where it says open, right? But if it says for you update, then it's very important that you click on the update button, because you need to be able to get the newest update for the Cash App to be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous update. But if it just says open for you, as it does for me, then it means that you already have the latest update for your Cash App basically. And if it still is not working for you, what you need to do is to go back into your Cash App, log in into your account, and then you need to contact the support on Cash App through your account. So click on help and then click on support, and then you have to explain to them that your web receipts are not showing and you need them to be able to help you to fix it from there. So this is also one way to fix it, just so you know.